Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial comparing AWeber and Mailgun. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log in to your account. AWeber is designed for small to medium-sized businesses looking for a comprehensive email marketing solution. One of its standout features is the intuitive drag-and-drop email builder, which simplifies the process of designing engaging email campaigns without requiring extensive technical knowledge. Users can choose from a variety of pre-designed templates that make it easy to create visually appealing newsletters, promotions, and automated email sequences. AWeber also offers robust analytics tools that track key performance metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber engagement, enabling marketers to optimize their campaigns effectively. With features for audience segmentation and automation, AWeber is particularly suitable for those focused on nurturing leads and building relationships with their subscribers. In contrast, Mailgun is geared more toward developers and businesses that need a scalable solution for sending transactional emails. Its robust API capabilities allow for seamless integration of email services into applications, which is essential for businesses requiring high-volume email delivery, such as e-commerce platforms and SaaS providers. Mailgun excels in providing features like detailed tracking and analytics that give users insight into delivery performance, including bounce rates and engagement metrics. Additionally, it offers advanced features such as email validation to ensure that messages are sent to valid addresses, improving overall deliverability. While Mailgun focuses on technical integration and reliability, it lacks some of the user-friendly marketing tools that AWeber provides, making it less suited for users who prioritize email marketing campaigns over transactional emails. In summary, AWeber is ideal for those focused on marketing campaigns and audience engagement, while Mailgun is better suited for businesses needing a developer-friendly solution for transactional email. Each platform excels in its area, but serves different purposes within the email ecosystem. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $80,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.